Children, next we are going to learn about polyhalogen compounds. What is meant by polyhalogen compound? Polyhalogen compound means carbon compound containing more than one halogen atom. They are classified into two. Number one is gem dihalide. Number two is vicinal dihalide. What is gem dihalide? Gem dihalide means two halogen atom attached to the same carbon atom. Vicinal dihalide means two halogen atom attached to adjacent carbon atom. For example, for gem dihalide, take ethane, CH3, ethane. Here, two hydrogen atom replaced by chlorine. So, the formula CH3, CHCl2. This is called as ethylidene. This is ethane. This is called as ethylidene chloride. That is CH3, HCl. This is the first carbon, second carbon. 1,1 dichloro ethane or ethylidene chloride. Another example, propylidene chloride, 1,1 dichloropropane, no 1,1, no 1, 2, 3, 2,2 dichloropropane or isopropylidene chloride. This is called gem dihalide. Both the halogen atom attached to the same carbon atom. Now, vicinal dihalide. Ethylene dichloride, 1,2 dichloroethane. Two halogen atom attached to different carbon atoms. This is called nearby carbon atoms. This is called vicinal dihalide. One more example. One first carbon, second carbon. 1,2 dibromo, 2 methyl propane. Now, some of the preparation. First, gem dihalide preparation. Gem dihalide means both the halogen atom attached to the same carbon atom. For example, acetaldehyde CH3CHO treated with phosphorus pentachloride forming. Here, this O is removed. Two halogen atom coming inside. CH3CHCl2 plus POCl3. This is one of the preparation. Next preparation, acetylene, CH triple bond CH plus HCl. One hydrogen added here, one Cl added here. So we are getting CH2 double bond CHCl. This is called as vinyl chloride. Once more HCl is added. Same H added here, Cl added here. So CH3 CHCl2. Ethylidene dichloride. Now, preparation of vicinal dichloride. Ethylene, CH2 double bond, CH2 treated with chlorine giving CH2Cl, CH2Cl, ethylene dichloride. This is one of the preparation. Another preparation, glycol, CH2OH, CH2OH treated with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, giving CH2Cl, ethylene dichloride plus POCl3 plus HCl. Next, some of the properties. They are sweet smelling, colorless liquids having high boiling point. the boiling point of ethylene chloride, this one is less than that of ethylene dichloride in some of the chemical properties. Ethylene chloride, that is CH3, CHCl2. This is treated with 2 molecules of potassium hydroxide. So instead of this Cl2, OH coming inside, CH3, CHOH twice. This is an unstable compound. Now, in this one water molecule removed. So one water molecule removed, so remaining is CH3CHO, acetaldehyde. Now, if you are taking gem dihalide, that is CH2Cl, same treated with 2 molecules of potassium hydroxide, forming CH2OH plus KCl. This reaction can be used to distinguish the both gem dihalide and vicinal dihalide. Used to distinguish the both. It's a first reaction. Now, second reaction. Gem dihalide, CH3, CHCl2, now treated with zinc in the presence of methanol. We are getting, that is zinc chloride removed out. So, zinc chloride removed out plus 1 hydrogen from here shifted to here. So, CH2 double bond, CH2, ethylene. Similarly, same gem dihalide, CH2Cl with zinc in the presence of methanol. On heating, same zinc chloride removed out, remaining CH2 double bond, CH2, ethylene. Now, one more property, CH3CHCl2, that is ethylene dichloride treated with 2 molecules of potassium hydroxide in the presence of ethanol. On heating, we are getting CH triple bond CH acetylene, CH triple bond, 2 hydrogen removed out. So, remaining KCl plus water. This is one of the property. One more property, ethylene dichloride, that is CH2Cl treated with 2 molecules of potassium hydroxide in the presence of ethanol. On heating, acetylene CH triple bond CH, same KCl plus water. These 3 properties are used to distinguish the gem dihalide and vicinal dihalide. Everything clearly given in book page number 245 and 246.